We all have a story, and some of them are full of happy, adventurous memories. But some stories have terrible memories with bad choices, regressions, and failures. Sometimes we tend to define us based on our stories. It's fine if we have wonderful memories filled with accomplishments, joy, and love. What if we have a story with bad memories and horrible experiences? Sometimes we don't even want to remind those memories. But do you know we all have at least one or two awful memories in our past? Now you will think that if everyone has bad memories, how some people talk about their past with sparkling eyes and with a happy smile on their faces. Here I'm going to share their secret with you. First of all, you need to understand that life is a combination of both good and bad. We all get our fair share based on our blueprint or God's will or karma. This is the theory of life. Therefore, we have to accept our past experiences even though they are bad. Another thing is we can't change our past or we can't escape from it. But we can forget it and move on. I know you can't do it in 1 or 2 days. But if you don't recall those unpleasant memories, time will heal your wounds in your heart. We always can choose to be happy regardless of how bad our past is. Sometimes when we think about our current accomplishments, there might be some few chances that you will never be the place where you are now without your dreadful experiences. Every horrible incident in your past teaches you a lesson which helps you to become a better one and take better decisions in the future. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Oprah Winfrey. There are so many great personalities who had an awful past, and the key to their success is they have made their past as their strength to face every obstacle that they confronted in their journey. Sometimes there are few people who used to judge others from the past, which is not acceptable, especially in this millennium. We all have done mistakes in our past knowingly or unknowingly. But that doesn't mean we are bad. We can learn from our mistakes. Therefore, we need to think twice before we judge someone based on that person's past. Another thing is when you have a story with failures, bad decisions, or any other terrible experience, no one can make you fail again. Because you are stronger than earlier, and your story is the best book of guidance whenever you are struggling with the hardship of life. No one can compete with you in regards to the wisdom you gained from your past. Scars have the strange power to remind us that our past is real. Cormac McCarthy. Therefore, bad memories in the past are not an excuse to escape from your current life. People change, and more importantly, you deserve to be happy. If you want to wallow because of your past, you can wallow. But not every day. You have to let your sadness or regressions or agony or bereavement go, and you have to move on. The life we have given is remarkable and too short. Don't waste too much time to worry about the past. Think about every opportunity to be happy that you will get in the future. If you want to fly on the sky, you need to leave the earth. If you want to move forward, you need to let go the past that drags you down. Amit Ray. Hope you enjoyed this topic, and thank you for joining with me. I'm glad to hear your opinion too.